Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where today we will learn how to insert a Google drawing into Docs, including the new feature that lets you embed drawings saved in Google Drive. In this video, I will show you how to insert a drawing and link it so updates stay synced automatically. Step 1. Open your Google Docs document and place your cursor where you want the drawing to appear. This is important because the drawing will be inserted exactly at that spot in your document. Step 2. Click the Insert menu at the top, then select Drawings and choose from Drive. This lets you access any Google drawing you've already saved in your Drive instead of creating one from scratch. Step 3. Select the drawing you want to insert and choose whether to link it to the original file. This is useful because any updates made to the original drawing can automatically update in your document. Step 4. Click Insert, and your Google drawing will appear in the document. You can resize or move it as needed, making it fully integrated and easy to work with. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.